Today should be good.
Welcome to Level Up XP Outdoors. Back at the California Aqueduct. Same place we were at yesterday, just on the other side today. There's a catfishing. California Aqueduct by 5 points. Happy birthday, Ty. Finally got our first fish. Bruce fishing with catfish.
Yeah, baby.
First catfish?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. So, catfish, I can't touch the mouth, huh?
You can.
You like that? You good?
Catfish style. They got like hundreds of teeth in there, but
I'll just, don't lose it now. Yeah, I wish I had my glove.
just hold it from
Haha.
Shit, I can't see it because your camera.
and blend it in with the camel.
Is it a keeper or no?
Yeah, all catfish.
Oh, is it?
1, 2, 3.
Good shit, Bruce. Good
Oh,
shit.
yeah, sandwich, huh?
I need better ice here.
Looks like Bruce found the house. Yeah, that guy's on the other side. Good shit, Bruce, man. First and second fish, a catfish and a striper. All right, just landed my cat. Let's try to avoid. This guy wasn't even pulling. Baby.
Oh my god.
Bluegill striper. Rồng câu lô lơ chả mẹ. Ai nào nè. Oh. That's too legal.
Hey, Bruce.
Yeah, fish is a fish.
Yeah. No skunk, man. That's all that matters. Frying some catfish fillet. Well, thank you for watching and please subscribe.